Hello guys, I recently came across this product. It's called Rust-Oleum. It's a paint for many different materials, I think wood, but here it says this product could adhere to plastic. So this is why I bought this, because I have a curiosity whether it will work on my 3D printed parts. So I have tried it on PLA, and I want to show you how it looks like. So this is really cheap actually. It's like $6 Canadian dollars, and probably it's gonna be cheaper if it was US. I got this from Walmart. Okay, so it will probably be 5 or less US dollars maybe. Okay, so this is just to show you a comparison. This is something I printed on my 3D printer. I made a video about this. I have a video about this. Uh, so I will show you. I use a regular paint from the dollar store, just a comparison. You see the pink and the green. That's from the dollar. It's not shiny, right? The pink and the green, they don't look shiny. But look at this paint. This is Rust-Oleum. This one right here. Look how shiny it looks. Okay, it's very nice, and it doesn't seem to peel. So even if I scratch it, it doesn't peel. It's very strongly adhered. Yeah, so I recommend this product for sure. If you guys planning to paint your 3D products and you don't want to see the line, see with this paint you can see the line, right? The one that I got from the dollar store. This one, however, you don't see any lines. It looks perfectly smooth surface. So yeah, I'll probably be using this for my upcoming 3D printed parts. I will be using more of this paint. I will let you know which plastic it will work on and which plastic it will not work on, because I guess it says it bonds to plastic, but it doesn't tell you what plastic it bonds to. So there's a quotation mark. So this means it could only work with some plastic, maybe. I don't know. So if anyone tried it, let me know in the comment section below, and I will also do more experiments on this paint to see what plastic will work with or not. This paint also has a primer. That's why I think it's a paint and a primer. Yeah, very nice. I like it. So yeah, follow me, and I will try to give you guys more updates. Thanks for watching.